Hello guys, in the last video we saw some overview about MFA. Now in this video we will see how to set up MFA for your account. Okay, so in this video we will set up MFA for root account. So let's search IAM, click on IAM service. Now to set up MFA, either you can go to account setting or here it is giving some recommendation and you can directly click here and set up MFA. Okay, now let's do it through account setting. So I will click on account setting. Then here you can see this is the password policy. First we will set up a password policy for the root user or IAM user we can set up here. Okay, so you can see we have some, if you click on edit, so there are two password policy types, either IAM default or you can set by custom. In IAM default, you will have this many security points. Like you need to give at least 8 characters in the password. Include a minimum of 3 of the following mixed character types. Like you need to do uppercase, you need to give lowercase, you need to have number or non-alphanumeric character. Like 3 of the 4 should be meeting. Okay. Other requirement, never expire password. You can set either never expire or you can set after expire 3 month, 2 month. Must not be identical to your account name or email. So this is the IAM default. So we can, if you want to have custom, you can click on custom and instead of 8, you can increase to 12. And now you can select, require at least one upper like this and one lowercase and one number and one alphanumeric. For strongest of the password policy, you can just check all of these. The password should expire, suppose in 30 days. So every 30 days, you need to set up the new password. Password expiration requires administrator reset. This is not required. Allow user can change their password. Prevent password reuse. Like remember password needs to be between 1 and 24. So it will remember your previous password. So we want the user not to use the previous password, like 3 previous passwords he cannot use. So this was all about custom. Okay. So this was about setting password policy. Now we will see how do we set up MFA. Okay. So for MFA, just as I told, either you can set up from here or you can click on your account and then click security credentials. And here you will see you as a security, we recommend you setting up an MFA. So assign MFA device. Device name, I have an iPhone, so I will set up suppose iPhone. And these are the three options. Either you can have our hardware TOTP token or authenticator app, pass key or security key. So we will use an authenticator app, like you may have seen Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Okta Authenticator. Okay, so let's proceed to next. See a list of compatible. Yeah, here you can see the list of compatible devices. You can see this, and here you need to click on Add MFA. So you can see we have successfully set up MFA device. Now what will happen? Now whenever we will sign in again, it will require us to confirm the MFA. Okay, so let's sign out and sign in again. Sign in using root user. I will enter my email. Then I will enter my password. Now see, it is asking for the MFA code 416883. Now after giving the correct MFA code, we are signed in. So this is the double layer security. Okay. Thanks guys for watching the video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.